Hi, it's Renee here from Steele Wizard Creation. Today, without trying to do a whole lot of rambling, I'm going to see how fast I can do this. I wanted to show you how to do clipping masks for the storyboards, the collages, whatever you want to call these. People have different names for them. These are so simple, should only take you a couple minutes. So, without a whole lot of talking, let's get right down to this. Okay, so I have my storyboard open and I have a couple images open here. We're only going to do a couple. I'm not even going to fill the whole board here because it won't even take that to show you. First off, for every storyboard that you purchase from Steele Wizard Creation, each box will be numbered. It'll be numbered in your box, and it will be numbered in your layers palette here. That way you don't get confused where your images are going. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take my first image, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it onto my storyboard. And then I don't need this image anymore, so I'm just going to close it. Now, if I want it to go into box 4, over here in my layers palette, I am going to drag it above box 4. And then I'm going to right click, create clipping mask. And it automatically clips into box 4. And then I'm going to edit, free transform that. Now, if you're using anything under Photoshop CC, the newest Photoshop CC online is, they changed it to where now you don't have to hold the shift key down. Like now I'm not holding the shift key, so everything stays proportioned. This is their newest update. This is what they've changed. But if you are not current with Photoshop, you will have to hold your shift key down and drag your box. If you don't hold your shift key down, it will take it completely out of shape, and you don't want that. So depending on what version you have, you either hold your shift key down or you don't. So you just size it and it stays within your box. And you either double click inside here or you use the little check mark up above and it applies it. And then your next image, you either copy and paste it in there or you drag and drop, and I don't need that. And I think I want to put that into box 1. So in your layers palette, you drag it above box 1, right click, create clipping mask. It is now within box 1. Edit, free transform, or Control T on a PC. And resize it for your box 1. And just apply it. And you will repeat that with box 2 and box 3. And this is what you will do with every storyboard that you get that uses clipping masks. And I believe that that is it. Simple, takes less than a couple minutes. Enjoy!